Welcome to channel Today in History. In today's video we will talk about the day, August 12, 1981. IBM markets the first personal computer. On August 12, 1981, IBM unveiled its first personal computer, the IBM PC, at a press conference, ushering in a substantial and dizzying change in the world of information and communication and ultimately in the way of current life. The term personal computer had been used since 1972 to designate Xerox's Alto model. However, due to the success of the IBM PC has come to mean more specifically a personal computer compatible with IBM PC products, and is considered the predecessor of today's personal computers. 6 years earlier, IBM had launched its first desktop microcomputer, the IBM 5100, introduced in 1975 as a complete system that had already incorporated a monitor, keyboard and data storage unit in a single housing. Although it was very expensive, it was specifically designed for professional and scientific problem solvers, not business users or hobbyists, so it can be said that it could never actually be considered a personal computer. In 1975, the Altair 8800 was released in a popular electronics magazine article, and offered for sale in kit form, generating huge demand in its first month. The introduction of Altair spawned an entire industry based on basic layout and internal design. New companies began to provide additional kits, and the future multinational Microsoft was founded to provide a basic translator for the systems. Thus, Altair is considered the starter that led to the personal computer revolution. In 1977, 3 computers appeared that initiated the rapid commercial expansion of the home computer: the Apple II, the Tandy TRS-80, and the Commodore PET. They were easy-to-use computers intended for the general population. The emergence of new companies that produced computers, and/or all types of peripherals, components and software was increasingly fast. In 1978, WordStar was launched, a more complete and easy-to-use word processor, which became a reference, and, in 1979, the first spreadsheet was created, a program that made the personal computer a true tool for business. In addition, the first video games for personal computers appeared. This motivated IBM to enter the PC market, which was growing very fast. IBM, which was the largest computer company in the world, was not yet in that segment. The IBM personal computer is the original version of the hardware platform for the IBM PC, innovatively created at the company by a team of engineers and designers under the direction of Don Estridge in Boca Raton, Florida. They developed the PC in 1 year with parts from different OEMs from various countries, using a pre-existing IBM monitor, previously developed at IBM Japan. What's more, they decided to use an open framework so that other manufacturers could produce and sell peripheral components and compatible software. The basic model of the IBM 5150, with a monochrome screen, was equipped with a 4.77 MHz Intel processor, had 64 kilobytes of RAM, and to input programs and store information had a 5.1/floppy slot. IBM also sold a manual that included complete schematic diagrams of the circuits, a list of source code, and detailed engineering and programming information about each of its components and their overall design. Did you like the video? In the description you will find the blog link with the full article. Give an incentive by subscribing to the channel, liking, commenting and sharing with your friends. Hugs. Until the next.